So we are on video number, what is this, 5 for the OWASP top 10 baby WafFiles order. Go and click on that. We'll start up this instance and we'll go ahead and we'll get this guy going. Let's go and start this instance. I believe I'm already connected to Academy. Let's go and connect to machines. There we go. Okay, cool. Now we're connected to machines. And yeah, let's go ahead and start this guy up and we'll hopefully get into this thing, right? Let's go ahead and start off with a quick see what this is all about. Forward over our URL, and we have a page called XXC, ice cream for ice cream, waffles. We are butter together. Table number and waffle ice cream. Let's go and see what's going on here. We'll fire up Burp Suite, right? That site has a lot of stuff going on there. It looks like it's from 1995, maybe. Yeah, a lot of different things going on there on that site. For some reason on YouTube, like right now, so if you're watching YouTube, I can't see it. I don't know why. It's not saying that I went live, even though other things are saying that I did go live. So I don't know. Just gonna say okay there. But I'm gonna keep messing with it, see if I can see anything on it. Don't know why it's saying I'm not live, even though everything else is saying that I am. But whatever else, seems like something I'll have to mess with later on. Let's go and click next here. We'll start Burp Suite here. Try to get this guy up and running. Alright, let's go and go to proxy, intercept is on. Let's go and start Burp Suite over here. And let's just say table number 1, I guess. I don't know. 1. We'll order that. And we do intercept with Burp Suite. We do have some type of XXC. It looks like we got table number and then food, right? And this does look like something that API order. That's like where we're send it to. Let's go and send the order repeater. And let's start to work on this guy and see what we can figure out with it, right? See if we can get something running here, right? That'll allow us to do something out, right? So I know I have some XXC payloads in my Obsidian notes. And let's first see if we can even find Etsy passwords. So we'll do something like file / Etsy password, something like that. That's kind of what I want to find, like right there. Let's see if we have anything in here. I think I actually have a whole XXC section in my notes actually underneath web. So let's go ahead and check that out like real quick. Web. So I think I do. There's XSS, XXC. There we go. Okay, cool. Here we go. Let's try something like this, like right here. Right. Well, you see system Etsy password. You can always try something like that, like right there. Let's go ahead and throw that into there. And if this doesn't work, we'll try some other things, right? We can always do some other stuff here. So we want to throw that inside of here. Boom, something like that, right? Enter. Delete, home. Delete that. Oh, didn't really like that very much. I did it. Okay. So you go ahead and I'm just going to send this off and we're going to get a problem here. Definitely going to get something, danger message. You need to select food or option first. Okay, so let's say food. Let's say that's not going to work like right there at all. That's a horrible copy and paste. I want to copy it more like this, like right here, how it actually is copied. Like right here, but should have spaces in here and things like that. But for some reason it's not allowing me to put spaces in it. I can delete it. Okay, that's really strange. A couple spaces up here. Nope, that's obviously way too much for it. Being able to put spaces into it. So looks like we have to try something else here. So let's just go ahead and look up XXC. We'll disable this for now, right? And we'll go to hack tricks. XXC. I don't know why it's not letting me put spaces in. If you want something like this, like right here, right? XML version 1, boom, boom, boom. Something like this, like right here. Go and copy that. We'll try to throw this over here, see if it'll take that. Of course, it didn't copy it properly. It hates copying all those things, doesn't it? Because you got to copy the whole freaking thing. then delete stuff from there. It should be right to there. There we go. XML version 1, doc type. Yeah, still not allowing me to put spaces in there, so that's still not going to take that now, is it? You can select the food option first. Yeah, I've selected a food option, but let's go ahead and just drop that request like real quick. We'll go ahead and request again for, I guess, a food option. We'll go ahead and say ice cream. Then we'll just say 1, and then we'll order that. See if that gives us anything. And of course, it's not going to our burp stick right now, so let's go ahead and try to order that again. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and send that through the repeater. Okay. I wonder if we just need to use curl with it. Or if that would be easier just to use curl with it. So pretty much what I want to do is something like that, like right there, right? We want to get rid of all this. With curl, we can at least put the spaces in, things like that, right? So let's go ahead and we'll delete that. Right click, copy command as curl. All right, throw that over in here. For some reason, we can't put space in there. Do that. Okay, what we got here? Okay, so it actually took the spaces like right there. So I wonder if it actually is taking it. It's just not showing up for us. Let's go and send that off, see what happens. You need to select the food option first. When you selected food, it says ice cream. I don't know why. We're just going to say both, since it's not ice cream. Both is one of them also, so let's say both. You must select, okay. You're starting to piss me off. Alright, well, it's saying that we need to select the food option first, even though we did select the food option. Was a little bit annoying. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. And that. And tour place, and we'll give it that. The reason we did tour place is this any tour place, that's why we did that. Okay, I don't know what the heck that 3 is like right there. I have no idea what the heck that's for. We can go ahead and get rid of that. Doc type foo entity. And I wonder if we can actually make this look a little bit more like it's supposed to. Nope, I guess not. Okay. I'm going to try to send that off. Okay, still nothing there. Okay. We do have to click on order, correct? I'm going to say, let's see here. Let's go ahead and send that. Let's go ahead and forward that. Let's see what the next thing that comes back is. Nothing. Okay, that's good. Okay, so we do have to click on order though. So that's something else we want. Yeah, this is ice cream. Okay. Let's go ahead and send that to repeater again. Let's go ahead and grab this like right here. There's a few ways you can do Etsy password also. We still need to put in the XML version 1 up top too. We still need to put that XML version 1 up there. Up at the very top up there. I don't know why I don't have that in here. I don't know why XXC node's kind of stuck, it looks like, doesn't it? I don't know why they're so bad. Head over here. Let's go ahead and disable this like real quick. And we'll grab that XML version. And it most likely did not copy. Oh, it did. Okay, cool. If we send that off, you need to select a food. That's I don't really know what the hell it wants me to do with that because we selected a damn food. So there's only so much we can do. We do a post API order. And I wonder if that has to do something with it. So table number, okay, or XML. I don't know if we actually need that, like right there. Boom, XML version 1, right? Actually, don't know we need the question marks. Yeah, we need the question marks, not that guy. Like right there. Should look something like that. Question mark, XML version 1 in between them, right? Doc type food, doesn't really matter. Okay, we should be able to put a space in here though, but for some reason we can't. But I don't know if it's actually sending space across or not. Let's see here, let's go and send this through curl again. Because how it's copied into there is just horrible. Okay. See, it is putting those spaces in. That's what's weird. It's just not showing it back to us for some reason. Entity, example, and system. Then we got Etsy password. We can try that like right there. Right. Got our table number there. Food, instead of food, I'm going to do an and example. We actually want to get rid of the quotes here. We just want to say and example with that guy, right? Let's go ahead and enter there. Let's see what we get. See if we can actually curl it or not. That just seems to be kind of stuck like right there. Food. Okay. And example. There we go. That's annoying. Do we have to actually put order into here? So we have to actually do like order, then like end the order. Something like that, like right there. We also have to end this guy too. That guy isn't ended properly either. Let's do something like that, like right there. Okay, anything, right? Do we have to end that food? I don't think we want these. I think that's what our problem is, like right there. I don't think we actually want these brackets around it. I don't know why it's doing that, like right there. That's a new one for me, where it's not able to bring it back up. Well, something like that. Nope. That doesn't work either. Full screen it. Nope. That's really annoying. I don't like that. I just don't like how it looks like right now. We want to end anything. That's not going to work. That's not going to... There we go. Okay, at least we got something like this now going, right? For us, that's a little bit better, right? Yeah, we removed it. So we want, instead of it like this, I don't know why I just put it like that, but we actually want to say table. Like something like table num, right? And then we want that to be a number, right? So table num was 3, correct? 3 and table num. Okay. Then we gotta do food. Food, right? And example. Boom, boom. And food. Then we should just be able to order that. Let's see if we can do that. Okay. You need to select the food option first. We have selected a food option. Do we need to actually put in the ice cream? Okay. Do we have to put a comma in there? Or have something like that, obviously. That should be changing colors though also. A little bit annoying. Any food. This finally, yeah, this is finally reacting to stuff. Okay, cool. Example, Etsy password, boom, boom, boom. Or if you just need to do a file. Or if we need to just call for a file or something like that. 'Cause sometimes you call for Etsy password, other times you do file, Etsy password, like that, right? Didn't seem to care about that at all, now did it? Okay. What about an element? Think it needs an element, this one? Like the element anything? So if we do doc type foo, right, then we hit enter, right? Then we also put an element in here, right? And that has to actually be in between these, so it would be like this, right? Does element get the exclamation point? Does everyone remember or not? I think it does. I don't see why it wouldn't. Everything else does. There's that, like right there. Enter on that guy. That guy goes up here with this guy right here, right? Okay, this thing really does not want us to do this, huh? Let's go ahead and delete that once. Huh. This is the hardest one we've done so far. And the example system is going to be the file. That's your password. That should be every single thing right there. I wonder if we can do both. That should be everything that we need, like right there. That should be it. I don't know what else we possibly need for this to actually work. For an entry-level XXE to work, that should be all of it. We're just doing straight up, most likely just regular XXE here. Not really seeing why that wouldn't work. We're not sending JSON object. What do you mean? Oh, right here? I see. There we go. Thank you very much. OXF69, thank you. No, it wasn't that. It was that we were sending content type. We were sending JSON. Or who said that? Thank you, Thed, too. Good point. We were sending JSON here, not XML. Now we send it XML. Now we got it, right? So now we should just have to find the flag, which should be at flag / flag. Should be right there. We'll send that up. And there we go. Good catch. Thank you very much, Thed, too. Thank you very, very much. Good catch on the XML thing right there. All right, cool. So that one took way longer than what it should have. Download necessary files. Good thing we didn't have to really download anything, huh? That one took way longer than what it should have, but we got it finally.